Hey, so one of the questions that's been posted in the RYOBI groups is asking if anybody's actually been using the 40-volt chainsaw here from RYOBI. As you can see right there, I've got it. That's the 18-inch one that I've been working with, the brushless one, and I've got my battery in there. We had this. This is a big silver maple, and we've got two of the saws. Actually, there's one of them over there my wife was using, and we've been trimming this up a little bit, getting some of the branches out of here. You're seeing some of the wood that I've cut with it so far, and we've got our load ready to go to the back area there. We're going to be using this saw to cut through, but I wanted to show you, I've made quite a few cuts here of a variety of different sizes and pieces here. And what I really like about this is in the front, and I'm hoping it'll, there you go, yes, you can see it. That is our bar and chain oil indicator. So I can see I've used about half of my oil so far, and I know when I need to go and change it. I should say change it. I need to add to it. Change it. You're not changing oil on a saw. But that I just had to go and actually tighten up the chain a little bit. You'll see that this one uses a 1/2-inch socket to loosen those two nuts. And then down below there, there's a little spot for a screwdriver to tighten up the chain. Again, 18-inch bar. So I'm going to be using it to go and cut pretty much almost everything you're seeing here. I'm going to see how far I can go with this. I've got multiple batteries, so we're going to be working on that. But I want to see if I can get it through. I want to even go over here. Now this is the stump, but right from the stump, it's split. And that's actually less than 18 inches. I think I could use that saw, or maybe I'll go get the chainsaw. But it's so much nicer to be able to go and cut with an electric saw and not have that loud noise making my ears ring for the rest of the day. So there'll be a few videos on this as we're doing this project, because we've got this spot and then we have a second one where we took some trees down here this winter and now we're cleaning them up before the grass starts growing.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.